Hi everyone, and welcome to a new year. I've just written a blog, and it was on the 5 key areas to save people money when they're going through a divorce. So what I thought I'd do is I'd do a video series, and over the next 5 days release what those 5 key areas are, so I can give you an idea of how it is that you can save money when going through a divorce. And there are ways around it. You just have to be clever. So the first one I thought we'd talk to today is about a file, and it's a comprehensive file that the lawyers take to court if they need to. Now, we're trying to keep everyone away from court if we can, but what we do still need to do is we still need to make sure that we have a comprehensive record of all your financial situation, marriage certificate, titles, mortgages, any information that might be relevant to your financial circumstances. So what my clients get when they work with me is I give them a check sheet. And this check sheet here is, as you can see, 3 pages long. And it's got things like property information, bank statements, that's both personal and joint, mortgages, businesses, employment information, so any ASIC documents if you run a business, trust deeds, profit and loss, shareholders agreements, and it goes on and on and on, like superannuation, cars, values, loans, other assets, any inheritances, lump sum payouts, other things like key issues, which could be, do you have children with special needs? Did either party have any sort of gambling, drug abuse, anything like that? So, it's a pretty comprehensive list that all my clients get. Now, what we do with that list is we put together a folder. So what I'm suggesting that you do is you go and get yourself just a folder like this. You can get it at, any newsagents, Officeworks, anywhere like that, that's, Kmart, whatnot, and get yourself some binders. So this one here has 12 tabs on it, but there's others that you can get that you can have up to 20. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this together. Now, with the checklist that my clients get, I expect them to go through each and every one of these categories, and with the tab, they're going to put all of their current statements behind tab 1, all of their business statements behind tab 2, all of their personal statements behind tab 3, loan documents, whatever, and so on and so forth. This is a folder here that is of one of my clients, and as you can see, it's got everything there. They've got the number, and then inside the number, they've got their information behind each tab. Now, the reason I get my clients to do this is because if you're dealing with a lawyer directly, what actually happens is once you've signed your agreement with the lawyer, there's actually a part in there that says things like photocopying expenses, and then admin expenses. It could be for another junior lawyer to have a look over all of this information. So if you think about it, by actually putting this comprehensive folder together and handing it over to your lawyer, what you're actually doing is you're cutting costs. And in many cases, my clients have seen a decrease from anywhere, depending on their situation and how comprehensive it is, can be anywhere from $500 up to $2,000 by just putting together a folder like this. So this is my first tip for today. And over the next few days, as I said, I'll release one every day for the next 5 days, and they will be my key messages to help you save money when you are going through a divorce. So if you'd like to find out more about my business, please contact me. I'm Tanya Summerton, the Divorce Angel. You can find me on Facebook, on Facebook/Divorce Angel. Or you can go to my website, which is www.tanyasummerton.com. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. So As I say, divorce is so much more than going to a lawyer. You have to make sure that when you finish this process that you have some money left in the bank to be able to spend on the things that are most important, and that's setting yourself up for success. And you also need to worry about yourself emotionally and your children. So I wish you all the best of luck, and hopefully you'll watch my second video tomorrow. Thank you.